Hello my dolly dearies and welcome to another video. Now today we are announcing our very special giveaway winners. I apologise for the audio quality, I've lost my microphone yet again. But let's get on with our entries. Our first entry is Candy Color Tortoise over on Instagram and I just absolutely adore her. Next we've got Mira Draws with this delightful Nova design. Next is the lovely Mao Dolls with this beautiful Venus flytrap based plant lady. And next is Youthful Dew with this beautiful Disney inspired creation. Next up is Kat Nekohime, I'm very sorry if I mispronounce this, with this adorable little satyr. Next up is This Very Bad Artist. Don't say that about yourself, this design is so cute. And next is Miss Euphoric with this beautiful swamp creature. Then we've got Cosmic Void, 43, with this super duper cute space girl. Then we've got Sewage Clown with this badass, punky, rebellious girl. And next up is Created Guardian Productions with this really beautiful, elegant design. I really love her hair. And last but not least, we've got Rihanna Hawkin 812 with this beautiful Devil Rose design. But now what you've been waiting for. Let's see who our winner is, shall we? I just adore this beautiful design from Mao Dolls. She's so cute and elegant and I love her little plant trap hands. They're so amazing and I'm so looking forward to making her as a doll. And of course the doll will be sent out to the winner. Now if Mao Dolls can't make it, then I have allocated second and third place who will be popped on the screen now, and if the first one doesn't go through, then I'll go to second place, and if second place doesn't go through, it will go through to third place, and if third place doesn't go through, then that's really bad luck and I'm gonna have to decide who's next up. But all of these designs were so amazing. Just because you didn't win doesn't mean your design wasn't amazing. I loved all of the designs and I would so love to make them all as dolls, but I just really don't have the time. Thank you guys all so much for entering and so much for celebrating 2,000 subscribers with me. Thank you guys all so much for helping me along my YouTube path, and I will see you all in the next one.